Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Today we will start mantra number 8. Sapariyagat Shukram Akayamabranam. Sapariyagat Shukram Akayam Avranam Asna viragum Shuddhamapapavidham Kavir Manishi Paribhu Swayambhuhu Kavir Manishi Paribhu Swayambhuhu Yathat Athyataha Arthan Vyadadhat Shashvatibhyas Samabhyah. Together, as it is a Rik mantra, so there is very less chandas. Sapariyagat Shukram Akayamavranam Asna Viragum Shuddhamapapabidham Kavir Manishi Paribhusvayambhuhu Yatha Tathyataha Arthan Vyadadhat Shashvatibhyas Samabhyah. Actually, mantra is starting with because. Okay, because it is related to 6th and 7th mantra. So because, so if we do the Anvaya first, that how the meaning will come. Saha Paryagat means Pariagat Shukram Akayam Avranam Asnaviram Shuddham Apapavidham Kavihi Manishi Paribhuhu Swayambhuhu Shashvatibhyah Samabhyah Yatha Tathyataha Arthan Yadadhat. Clear? So the meaning is Saha is he, masculine. Paryagat, all pervading. Shukram, bright. Akayam, bodiless. Avranam, without any wound. Sketchless. Asnaviragum, without muscles or veins, Shuddham, pure. Apapavidham, unpierced by evils. Kavihi means wise. Manishi, omniscient, paribhuhu, transcended, swayambhuhu, self-existent or existing, yatha tathyataha, respectively or perfectly as it is, arthan, functions or duties, vyadadhat, allotted, shashvatibhyah, eternal, samabhyah, for years to come, or samabhyah in some places that figuratively the creators, that is Prajapati, Prajanam Pati, Prajapati. He, the Atma, is all pervading, bright, bodiless, sketchless, without muscles, without veins, pure, unpierced by evils, wise, omniscient, transcendent, and self-existing. He alone allotted respective functions or duties to the various eternal creators. So, this is the general meaning. Here, in this mantra, a lot of things to tell. Okay, please have patience. If you are interested, you will get a lot of details. You can't imagine the details of the mantra. Just your patience is needed. In previous mantra, what we got, Yasmin Sarvani Bhutani Atmanieva Anupashyata. So, first one, I just want to say that some people who study that they can ask that in Vedanta, 6 eternal things have been told by a verse or stanza. Jiva Isho Vishuddhachit Tatha Jive Shayor Vida Avidya Tat Chitayoho Yogaha Shadasmakam Anadayaha. 6 eternal things. Jiva is the individual self or individuality, sense of individuality. Ishvara, the Lord. Vishuddha Chaitanya, pure consciousness. Jiva and Ishvara Bheda, the difference between the Jiva and the Lord. Avidya means ignorance, and Avidya and Chaitanya Sambandha, the connection between ignorance and consciousness. Those 6 things are anad. Jiva, Ishvara, Vishuddha Chaitanya, Jiva, Ishvara Bheda, Avidya and Chaitanya Sambandha. So how it will go? Only one solution. Whenever the self-knowledge is gained, all the differences, everything goes off. ज्ञान होने की साथ साथ ही अज्ञान निवृत्त हो जाता है। क्यों? Because the eighth mantra. I will start with the general analysis. The theme is in Íśopanișad mantra, means first mantra. It has been told that how a sannyasi will think, will live in this world. How he will think, Íśavasyam idagum sarvam yat kincha jagatyam jagata. Okay? Now, if you don't know the intrinsic nature of Paramatma, the Supreme Lord, if you don't know, how will you think? So, to facilitate our thinking, how we will think that Íśavasyam idagum sarvam, the Lord has covered the whole world. How is he lying on the universe, spreading the hand and leg? Then also it will not be fully covered, because in between two hands and two legs, the space, how it will be covered. So is he covering himself with a rag? But it has not told. परमात्मा के द्वारा पूरा जगत व्याप्त हुए, छाए हुए. To facilitate us, 5 mantras has been told. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the last mantra to support the first mantra. Íśavasyam idagum sarvam yatkincha jagatyam jagata tena tyaktena bhunjithaha magridha kasya siddhanam. In between 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 6th and 7th mantra has been told to show the result of self-knowledge. आत्मज्ञान की फल क्या है वो बताया गया. Now 9th to 14th, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that six mantras is the support of second mantra. Can you remember? Second mantra is to support karma nishtha. First mantra was jnana nishtha, and second mantra for karma nishtha, who can't do or perform this style of life, that Íśavasyam idagum sarvam, who are not prepared mentally, they will follow the second mantra. Clear? So, what was the second mantra? Kurvanne veh karmani vidivishet shatakam samaha evam tvai nanyathetasthi nakarmya lipyate nare. That if you want to live hundreds of years, you have to do karma, and not by your own choice, the karma which is prescribed in Shastra, Veda. Clear? And 15th to 18th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, it has been told that who performs karma kanda, karma yoga, what will happen, where they will go after their death. And the prayers also have been told. Now, in this 8th mantra, what about it has been told? The same thing has been told, but in different way in 5, 6, 7, 4 mantras. So, is it a repetition? Yes, it is a repetition. But in Shastra, it is condemned to repeat the same concept. So, Bhagavan Šankara ji is telling that there is no problem. Because in 5th mantra Bhăşya, I have told you what Bhagavan Šankara ji told, that this Atma Jnanam, that Atma is a very simple thing, but throughout our many lives, we believe that this is real, all of things are real. That is why we can't easily understand, or we can easily grasp the idea of Atma. That is why Upanishad have repeatedly told us about the Atma Tattva. In Jaimini Sutra, it is there, and Adhyasa Bhāshya by Bhagavan Šankara ji, there 3 tikas are there, but one famous tika is Bhamati tika. In Bhamati tika, Tikakar Vachaspati Mishra told Abhyasehi Bhuyah Tvam Arthasya Bhavati. Means repeatedly, when something is told, it means Shastra or scriptures want to establish these things. Means if you want to master in anything else, you need repetition. In Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan is telling the same thing in 6th chapter. Abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena cha grihyate. So, the thing is, when in this 8th mantra, where Paramatma's Swarupa, intrinsic nature, again it has been told, so there is no trouble, there is no dosha. Clear? Now, in this 8th mantra, because if you critically analyze this mantra, you will see that, some words have been used as masculine gender, Punglinga. Some words have been used as Napumsakalinga. So, what is it? There should be a conflict in our mind, that how it has been. Like Saha, Sarvanam is there first. Saha Paryagat Shukram Apapavidham Abranam Agayam. This is the mantra. So that Saha is the masculine form. Tat Shabda. Saha Tau Tam Tam Tau Tan Tena Tabhyam Taihi Taya Tabhyam Tebhyah Tasmat Tabhyam Tebhyah Tasya Tayoho Tesham Tasmin Tayoho Teshu. So this is the masculine form of Tat Shabda. So here Saha is the masculine form. Now, tat जो पद है ये बुद्धिस्थ प्रकार अवच्छिन्ने शक्ता. In one place, टीकाकार wrote that. Means हम लोगों का बुद्धि में जो विषयभूत जो है, ऐसे विषयभूत भावनाओं की द्वारा अवच्छिन्न, और वही प्रकाश करने का शक्ति सिर्फ तत्पद में ही है. लाइक देवदत्तः ग्रामं गच्छति, तम आनय. प्लीज ब्रिंग हिम. देवदत्तः ग्रामं गच्छति, त्वं तम आनय. So here tam is sarvanaam. How it has been buddhista? Now, that Devadatta who is going to the village, bring him. Clear? Here, sa paryagat means where it is buddhista. What is the imitation of that saha? Why that saha has come? In the first mantra, Ishavasya, there it. We talked about that it dhatu. It means Ishvara, Paramatma. And there it has been told that who is Atmatva, he is able to Atmatva avachinne. I don't know the English of it. Sorry, Sham, but other people can understand, I think. Now, the main thing is Saha is Purva Buddhistha Prakara Rupa Atmatva. Means Atmatva Vishishta Paramatma ko samjha gaya hai Saha Sabda ke dwara. Means in gross English, Saha means Paramatma, Supreme Self. Saha is pronoun. Clear? Now, what is Paramatma? In that answer, Shruti is telling Paryagat in this 8th mantra. Saha Paryagat. Sukram. Don't forget the mantra. Okay, that is our pole. And we are moving holding that pole. Okay. So Paryagat. What is Paryagat? In Sanskrit, it is Pari Upasarga Purvaka In Gato. So what is in the verbal root? If you do lung, means past tense. Prathama Purusha Ekavachana is agat, means so in dhatu का अगर लुंग करेंगे उसका प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन is agat. So in that way pari agat. Pari means sarvatra, paritaha, sarvatra. Means, and agat means gaman karna. So who used to go everywhere. So it shows that Atma in past tense used to move everywhere else. this meaning is applied in Laukika, general Sanskrit. But in Veda, Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji has told there is no Kala Niyama, there is no time bounding, because Veda is eternal. So here, everything is Nitya Vartaman. Everywhere, long, lit has been applied. Means past tense, three parts are there. Okay. So that three kinds of past tense have been used in Veda many times. But in seventh mantra, when we did this sort of analysis, there we showed that in Panini Sutra 3.4.6, there Bhagavan Panini Maharshi is writing that Chandasi lung lang litaha. Chandasi lung lang litaha. Means Veda uses the past tense even in present tense also. So from that sutra we can derive that Paryagat means Atma moves everywhere. Atma used to move everywhere. Atma moves everywhere. Atma will move everywhere. सर्वत्र गमन करते हैं, इसके मतलब सर्वव्यापी. Moves everywhere means all pervasive. Why? Because in previous mantra we have described that in Atma there is no going. Atma में गमन क्रिया नहीं है. Now one adjective has been used. Saha Paryagat Shukram. So how that Shukram Shabda has come? From the word Such. Such Shoke. This is Adiganiya Parasmaipadi Such Dhat. Just listen. Just listen. In Siddhanta Kaumudi 186 Sutra or Sloka, it is there. Just listen. Don't go just for interest, because first time you are listening and I think last time you were listening. Rijendragra Vajra Vipra Kuvrachu Brakshura Bhadragra Bhera Bhela Shukra Shukla Gaura Vandrera. This is the sutra. One time, another I'm telling you. Rijrendragra Vajra Vipra Kuvra Chubra Kshura Kura Bhadra Grabhera Bhela Shukra Shukla Gaura Vandrera Mala. According to that sutra, Ran Pratyay चा की स्थान में क आदेश होता है. In that way, that Such has become Shukra. इस सूत्र के अनुसार Such शुक्र शब्द में आया. क्लियर? शुक्र शब्द का अर्थ है भार्गव. भार्गव मीन्स शुक्र ग्रह. और ज्येष्ठ मास और वैश्वानर means Agni. And in that way, Shukra Shabda is masculine, Punglinga. And another some meaning is there, Retaha. chakshuhu, rogaha, vajraha. In that sutra it is there. It is napumsakalinga. But here in Veda, bahulam chandasi, Panini Sutra 2.4.86 means in Veda, it is Veda's wish or will that one word can be used in many places in many ways. Here the shuch dhatu has been applied for effulgence. Deepti arthe prayukt hua hai. Dhatu nam anekarthatvat, according to Bhagavan Panini Bhăşya, means lot of word meaning may be there. So here Shukram means Jyotishman, Prakashatma, effulgent. So Atma is Chaitanya Swarupa, Prakashatma. So Atma is Prakashatma. ये समझाने के लिए Shukram Shabda has been used. Now, the thing is, Saha pronoun has been indicated. Why this sort of analysis? Saha is pronoun that is in masculine. But these sort of discussions are there in Brahma Sutra. Why Brahma Sutra has been introduced by Veda Vyasa? The contradictory mantras have been discussed in Brahma Sutra. So this is the contradiction. That Saha is masculine, but Shukram is neuter gender. How it will be? It's a defect. So, and both have indicated Paramatma. So why suddenly that neuter gender has been applied? This is a natural question. And not only that, after that we will get some words in this 8th mantra: Akayam, Avranam, Asnaviram, Shuddham, Apapavidham. They are also neuter gender. And for them also the same questions. Now, in 4th mantra, Tat Shabda was applied. If you can remember the 4th mantra, there Tat Shabda Veda has used. So can you remember the 4th mantra? Anijadekam manaso javiyaha naina deva apnuvan purvamarshat tadhavatat anyan atyeti tishthat tasmin apo matarishva dadhati. So it is the 4th mantra's repetition, the same thing. There also Tattva, Atma Tattva was in Klivalinga, and through the Klivalinga, Veda tried to mean as Atma Vastu. So here also Shukram, Akayam, those by these words, that Atma Tattva has been indicated. Now in this 8th mantra, we got another some shabdas like Saha, Kavihi, Manishi, Paribhuhu, Swayambhuhu. They are masculine and they are clearly indicating Paramatma. But those are the masculine has been used 6 and neuter gender has been used 5. Okay. Sorry, masculine, they are 5 masculine gender and neuter word has been used 6. Now, if you do voting, then neuter gender will win according to the number. But in Mimamsa Sutra 3.3.2, in Mimamsa Sutra, there is one sutra, Vedaha va Prayadarshanat. Means there is Asanjata Viradhitva Nyaya. This is called. So I'm not going into that. But there, what has been told, suppose a person is acquiring the throne of Delhi. Delhi का राज सिंहासन अधिकार करने के समय, if he has no opponent, if there is no virodhi, then this is called sanjata. But if any surrounding king who are also in need, in greed of the chair of Delhi, then there is a competitor. So they are Virodhi Sanjat. So if they are less powerful, then they will not get the chair or throne. Likewise, Saparyagat Shukram in this mantra, that Upakrama, the starting is Saha. Clear? And in Madhya, in middle, there is Shukram. And what is Upakrama? That is the actual thing. So when Upakrama is everything, then all other neuter gender will be converted into masculine gender. Clear? So Saha, through Saha, it has been told that everything, all the neuter genders should be converted into masculine gender. Clear? We will stop over here today. It's a little bit difficult,